Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So first, open your Facebook app. Now click this three lines and down side button. Then scroll up, go to Settings. Now click this Account Center button and click this. Then click this Manage button. Now click this. Then click this and click Continue. So in this, do not choose any one of that. Just click the Continue button only. Now scroll up. Then click this Continue button and put your Facebook password. Then click Continue. Now click this. So your Facebook account now is deleted. Wait 1 month to permanently delete your Facebook account.